Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is alternative source of energy. We have discussed conventional source of energy. The opposite of conventional source of energy, they are the non-conventional source of energy or alternative source of energy. Those sources of energy which are not based on the burning of fossil fuels or the splitting of atoms of nuclear fuels. Such fuels they are called alternative source of energy or non-conventional source of energy. Those source of energy which are not based on the burning of fossil fuels. Them source of energy burning of fossil fuels या splitting of atoms of nuclear fuels आसन गसा कहीं अमन fueलन या अमन source of energy non-conventional source of energy or alternative source of energy. We know that both fossil fuels as well as nuclear fuels they are dug from the earth. कि यह छ पाई कि fossil fuels the nuclear fuels हम हसा dug out कर from the earth जमीन तल से कड़ाम. So we can also say that those sources of energy which do not use fuels dug from the earth, them source of energy yum use as fuels kara कि यम dug out from the earth आसो करा तमन छ वना alternative source of energy. Alternative source of energy कि अस वनो alternative source of energy हसा कि तम source of energy यम use आसन करा fuels यम fuels is dug out आसो करा from the earth, they are known as alternative source of energy. Examples of alternative source of energy कुछ alternative source of energy या non-conventional source of energy they are hydroelectric energy, wind energy, solar energy, biomass energy, energy from the sea, ocean thermal energy and geothermal energy. These are the non-conventional source of energy or alternative source of energy. Alternative source of energy. Now we will discuss all these alternative source of energy one by one. First, let us start with the hydroelectric energy or hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric energy. Hydro, it means water. Electric energy, that means in this energy, electric energy, it is obtained from the water या through the water यह से obtain करा water पे ये electric energy ये power electric energy यह से करा obtain from the flowing water we know that अशी पाई कि flowing water it possesses kinetic energy. The energy of flowing water it has been traditionally used for rotating the water wheels and drive water mills to grind wheat to make flour. वारिया ब्रोह पे आमद ये flowing water इस्तेमाल करने या energy of flowing water इस्तेमाल ग्रटन मस कम खत ओट पीने खतर या for rotating the water wheels या drive water mill कम खतर to grind wheat to make flour. The traditional use of energy of flowing water it has been modified by improvements in technology and used to generate electricity. यही traditional use of energy of flowing water यह आए modify करना कितना by improvement in technology में आए improvement करना and by this energy of flowing water it has been used यह आए इस्तेमाल करना कम खतर to generate electricity generate करना खतर. That means use energy of flowing water now it is being used to rotate the turbines of generators for generating electricity. This is done by establishing hydropower plants. You see improvement कितना आए करना by establishing hydropower plants आए कायम करना तथ में in hydropower plant में क्या छ करना कौन you see water it is stored या store करना in dams में then it is allowed to fall. Yes, fall allow current to fall. By the falling water, what happens? Turbines are generated, they rotate. By the rotation of the turbines, what happens? Electricity is produced. Electricity is produced. At hydropower plant must क्या गसा energy of falling water, it is tapped by using a water turbine. You see, energy of flowing falling water यह हसा tap गसा कम सत water turbine सत, then me to generate electricity, then me to drive. पता हसा गसा यह energy of falling water सत हसा गसा सत हसा water turbine rotate गसा, तम सत हसा गसा water turbine सत rotate गसा, तम सत generators तम drive गसा. By the driving of generators, what happens? Electrical energy is produced. That electrical energy is called hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric energy.